Ecoldbrew is a portable cold brew coffee system designed for people who want fresh, bean-to-cup coffee wherever they go. Instead of carrying a separate brewer, grinder, and bottle, this coffee device combines everything into a compact, battery-powered thermos lid. This video explains what Ecoldbrew is, how it works, how much coffee it brews, what kind of coffee it uses, and how its updated battery and charging system perform. It also covers compatibility, availability, and what is currently known about sizes and any bundles. Before we get started, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing if you enjoy this video. It doesn't require much effort, and it really helps support my work. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's begin. Ecoldbrew is a motorized thermos lid that transforms a travel tumbler into a complete cold brew maker. It screws onto a compatible mug, draws water from the tumbler below, grinds coffee beans, and brews cold coffee directly into the same container you drink from. The system is fully automatic, making it especially appealing for commuting, travel, or outdoor use. Inside the lid is a bean hopper, an electric grinder, a brewing chamber, and a water draw tube. A small display and control dial on top allow users to start the brew and adjust grind settings. To use it, you add whole beans to the hopper, fill the tumbler with water, attach the lid, and choose a setting. This device then handles the rest, delivering a fresh cold brew in about 5 minutes. This device is designed for single-serve brewing rather than large batches. Each full brew cycle produces a 12-ounce serving of cold brew coffee, making it ideal for personal use. This fixed brew volume helps ensure consistent strength and flavor from cup to cup. Because it brews directly into a travel tumbler, it is meant for people who want a fresh drink on demand, rather than storing cold brew in advance. The 12-ounce output aligns well with standard travel mug drinking habits and on-the-go use. The built-in bean hopper holds up to 25 grams of whole coffee beans. This amount is well suited for cold brew, allowing enough coffee for a rich, flavorful extraction while still fitting into the compact lid design. Ecoldbrew is clearly intended for whole beans rather than pre-ground coffee. The integrated grinder is a core feature, grinding beans immediately before brewing to preserve aroma and freshness. There is no confirmed support for pre-ground coffee, and current information suggests whole beans are the expected and recommended input. Ecoldbrew uses a rechargeable internal battery to power both the grinder and brewing system. On a full charge, the device supports up to 4 complete 12-ounce brew cycles, which is enough for a full day or two of typical personal use. Charging is handled through a USB-C port, and the device supports up to 60-watt fast charging. With a compatible charger, Ecoldbrew can reach about an 80% charge in roughly 30 minutes, making it easy to top up quickly between uses. This fast charging capability is especially useful for travel and daily commuting, where long charging times would be inconvenient. Ecoldbrew is designed to pair especially well with Stanley 40-ounce tumblers that feature a ceramic interior. This pairing helps ensure proper fit, insulation, and taste neutrality while brewing and drinking. While it may work with other similarly sized tumblers, the Stanley 40-ounce ceramic interior models are the primary confirmed match. The device is offered as a single main size, built around this standard travel tumbler form factor. Detailed measurements are 3.86 inches by 5.74 inches by 11.6 inches, and it weighs around 2.7 pounds. It has a self-cleaning function, which helps simplify maintenance. This feature allows the system to flush internal brewing components after use, reducing coffee residue and buildup. While manual cleaning may still be needed occasionally, the self-cleaning cycle is designed to make daily upkeep easier and faster. Ecoldbrew is not yet available as a standard retail product. The company plans to launch it through a Kickstarter campaign, positioning it as a crowd-funded device rather than a fully released consumer product. There is no confirmed retail release date beyond the planned crowdfunding launch. The expected price has been cited at around $99, though this figure may change depending on campaign details, production costs, and final configurations. If the crowdfunding campaign is successful, wider online sales and potential retail partnerships could follow at a later stage. It is expected to be offered as a lid and tumbler combination, pairing the brewing lid with a compatible travel tumbler. While compatibility with Stanley 40-ounce ceramic interior tumblers has been highlighted, there is no confirmed information yet about additional bundles, gift sets, or accessory packages. Future Kickstarter reward tiers may introduce variations or extras, but no such options have been publicly detailed so far. Ecoldbrew is a compact, rechargeable cold brew system that combines a grinder, brewer, and thermos lid into one portable device. It produces a consistent 12-ounce serving per brew, uses up to 25 grams of whole beans, and can complete 4 full brew cycles on a single charge. With USB-C fast charging, support for 60-watt input, and the ability to reach 80% charge in about 30 minutes, it is designed for real-world portability. Paired especially with Stanley 40-ounce ceramic interior tumblers, and featuring a self-cleaning function, Ecoldbrew aims to make fresh cold brew convenient, fast, and easy to maintain for everyday use. Are you a cold brew coffee drinker? Leave me a comment and let me know, then check out some of my other videos. There's a wide array of topics to choose from. Go check them out. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.